What's going on, guys? Flyboy Mike here. So today we're meeting with Mercracing. We came across these guys. They got a beautiful EP3 here today. Mean. And then after speaking to Nathan and his father Jose, they manufacture these kits. So, you know, I said, let me get you guys the inside info, because this is the first time I seen a K series supercharged putting out the type of powers and numbers that they're putting out. So let's get to meet Nathan and Jose. So tell us a little bit about the car.
Yeah, so here we have our MR2300 kit with our air-to-water cooling. Basically rod piston motor, very basic, built 1 through 4, and we're pushing about 425, 500 right now. And you know, we still got some changes to make to get up to that nice 600 horsepower number.
And what comes in your package?
Basically, our package is blower, manifold, inlet. The only thing that doesn't come with it would be like the tensioner and the fuel rail. But we do all our cooling, all your pulleys, adapters for throttle body, most of that stuff.
Now, what about installation in other states? Is it just bolt-on?
That setup is actually very easy to do. So the SuperCharger Kit, this one specifically, is built for the purpose of the home user, the person that doesn't have a garage. So you buy this, you can do it right on the street. You don't need to weld, you don't need to cut anything. Pretty much buy, install it, anyone can do it. Right from the top.
And what's the price for the kit overall?
The kit overall, this one specifically, it's about $5,000. But then with the cooling system, it's another $1,000. But you got a kit that can make anywhere from 400 all the way to about 600 horsepower, depending on how you have your motor built.
Okay, and then as far as like upgrading it further after you buy it, are you selling pulleys?
Yeah, you can upgrade your pulleys, you can upgrade your cooling, you can get a different manifold that allows you to do external air-to-water cooling, and now you have bigger air-to-water cores you can do, or air-to-air.
Okay. Yeah, man, car looks amazing. You know, it caught my eye right away. As you see, we're surrounded by exotics, but we still support the Hondas out here.
Thank you.
All right? So it was nice meeting you guys,
nice
man.
meeting you, brother. Nice
Beautiful car.
Thank you for the car.
Well, good. That's clean. Clean.
Thank you, guys.